Hello and welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic in Istanbul. The planning is complete and the big day has finally arrived. In today's video, Step 7 of our Dental Implants in Turkey guide, we're going to demystify the surgery itself. It is completely normal to feel a bit anxious, so we want to walk you through exactly what happens in the surgical chair to put your mind to ease. Part 1. Preparing for the procedure. When you enter the surgical suite, our team's primary focus is your comfort. You will be settled into a modern ergonomic dental chair in a completely sterile and cleaning environment. Your surgical team will explain every step before they begin, ensuring you feel relaxed, informed, and ready for the procedure. Anesthesia and pain management. The most common questions we hear is, will it hurt? The answer is no. Before anything begins, your surgeon will administer local anesthesia to completely numb the treatment area. During the surgery, you might feel some light pressure or vibration, but you will not feel any pain. For patients who feel extra nervous, additional sedation options are also discussed and made available prior to the procedure. Creating the foundation. Once you are completely numb and comfortable, the surgeon carefully makes a small space in the gum to assess the jawline. Using the advanced 3D surgical guides we created during the initial scans, the surgeon prepares the exact spot in the bone with absolute precision, ensuring the perfect angle and depth for your new teeth. Placing the titanium implant. Next comes the most important step, placing the implant itself. The surgeon gently inserts a premium, biocompatible titanium post into the prepared space. Whether you are receiving a single implant or a full arch restoration like all-on-4 or all-on-6 system, the titanium post will act as strong, permanent artificial root for your new smile. Securing the area. After the implant is securely in place, the surgeon will attach a small healing cap to protect it. The gum is then gently closed around the implant, usually using a few self-dissolving stitches. These stitches are completely comfortable and will disappear on their own during the initial healing process. How long does it take? Patients are often surprised by how quick the surgeon actually is. Placing a single implant can take as little as 15 to 30 minutes. If you are undergoing a more comprehensive procedure, such as a full mouth restoration, the surgery will take a bit longer, but you will be resting completely the entire time. Immediate post-surgery resting. Once the procedure is completed, you will be escorted to a private recovery room to rest. Our team will provide you with a cold compress to help minimize any potential swelling. Your dedicated coordinator will be right there with you, making sure you feel great before your VIP transfer team drives you safely back to your hotel to relax. The implant surgery is a high-control, precise, and comfortable process that sets the stage of your lifetime smile. At Lema Dental Clinic, your safety and comfort are always our top priorities. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Join us in Step 8, where we will cover post-surgery care, swelling, and pain management. Ready to take the next steps? Click in the link in the description, get your free consultation in 5 minutes. We're waiting for you.